How bad of a driver do you have to have the guts to cut off a police officer?
Oh, yay!
I can't tell you what to do until you tell me what you want to do.
Oh, he's getting pulled over.
Well, if you're in debt, I guess I would call.
Yeah!
Bad driver pulls out without looking, forcing this guy to swerve off the road where he got stuck in snow.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
A red light runner nearly took out 2 drivers. Luckily, they managed to avoid the collision just in time.
Babe!
Jesus Christ! That truck just ran the red light!
Even after realizing he was driving the wrong way, this driver kept going without a moment of hesitation.
Boom. Alberta's one-day getaways are closer than you think. Just outside the city limits are endless.
This driver almost sideswiped a lane-merging menace. Someone needs to learn how to drive before hitting the road.
That's what's weird about boxing. Like, choosing somebody else that you're not angry at. Right. Is a wild thing to think about.
It is wild.
Come on!
Yeah. They do it all the time. You know, a lot of MMA. Because, you know, a lot of them train for it.
That feels too long.
Lane discipline is key to a smooth ride. Swerving between lanes without signaling, that's a recipe for disaster.
Right now, 42 outside the Carter studio. I'm Colleen O'Brien, Kyle News Radio.
Best source for local news. You're listening to
Oh no! What the hell? You guys are filming or what?
Aggressive driving isn't just rude, it's reckless. Stay cool, calm, and collected behind the wheel.
So would you recommend getting one of these? Shit. What? Shit. What happened?
These guys caught a hit and run in action. A white Audi driver cuts into another lane, hits a vehicle, and takes off. But they weren't letting him get away that easy. They followed him just to capture those license plates.
That guy's still driving.
What guy?
The guy he hit.
Over there?
Yes.
Which this guy doesn't even know it?
White.
What a jerk. Let's see who it is. He pulled out in front of this guy?
He pulled out to change lanes and hit the back end of this guy.
And he may not have even known it. Or did he? Let's see who he is. Let's look at the demo. Oh, it's an Audi. Mm-hmm. Oh, his whole thing's coming off.
Let me take a picture of his license plate.
Distracted driving is just as dangerous as drunk driving. Keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel.
Did you ever my face, on my chin, and it was really one of...
Holy sh**.
Lady runs a stop sign, forcing this driver to put his brakes to the test.
God, John.
What the f?
Road rage might feel satisfying in the moment, but it's pointless and dangerous. Luckily, this dashcam caught everything. The driver handed the footage over to the cops, making sure justice is served. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.